So in today's video, I'm going to break down the returnable transport package material procurement process step by step. So if you are procuring materials like milk, gas, so with them, some containers, gas cylinders, crates are coming with those, no? So those are called returnable materials. Means you are returning them after use. They are not getting consumed. They should be returned after uses. So this process is slightly different from regular procurement. So first step is maintaining business partner. The first thing first, every transaction begins with a partner. So we use transaction BP to create or update the vendor master. Next, we will be creating material MM01. We need to create two materials here. One is the main material, the actual item that we are buying, and second one is returnable transport item like crate or gas cylinder. We also focus that the returnable transport material should be having the material type as LEIH for returnable packaging. Then we will create purchasing info record to linking the material with the vendor to confirm the pricing and conditions also. Then we will create purchase order. Here we will be adding both the actual material and transport item to the PO using item category K. Then we will be checking the stock overview of both the materials. This will help you to view the stock type like unrestricted, block, etc. After that, we will be understanding the accounting entries like BSX, that is inventory posting, that will be debited inventory account, and the WRX will be credited, that is GRIR account. So RTI means returnable transport item. Uh, might not hit cost centers directly since it is returnable. Then we will do MIGO for the purchase against that purchase order. Then we will do the payment. So this will be our procedure to complete the steps. Let's start. Uh, let's first creating the vendor master organization, company. I'm creating Amul Private Limited as a vendor. LA Road, house number 022, postal code is, city is Delhi, country is India, region is 30 for Delhi, language is English. So just save this. This is a general data of the vendor master. Now we will be business partner 4012 is created. Now going to change mode. Choose that VSVA financial accounting. Go to company code. Enter your company. Enter the reconciliation account. Go to VSVN01 for purchasing. Go to purchasing. Enter your purchasing organization. Enter currency. Just click on save. The changes have been saved. Go to general data. Find the general data. The vendor number is 408. Let's copy this. Let's here. VP is 4012 and vendor is 4008. So after this, we have created a business partner. Now let's create the material. The main material should be finished good or finished good or raw material maybe. That we are finished product. Basic data. Here I am choosing as in electrical industry. The product is RMS1. Basic data, purchasing, MRP, the account. Enter your plant and storage location. So let's buy the milk full cream. The packets are in the pieces. Now press enter. MRP tab, we are not doing any planning until we learn that MRP procedure. Just go to valuation class. Here you can enter 3000 for that. I'm considering it as raw material. Or if you consider it as subcontracting or another, then you can choose the valuation class as per the raw, as per the material. Using the price control HB and giving the per unit price as 35 rupee of one packet. The material has been created with the material number, this one. So this is my main material that I need to procure. Now I will be creating the RTI, Returnable Transport Item. So for that, the material type should be LEIH, means Returnable Packaging. Basic data, purchasing, MRP, and accounting. The plant is this one. Storage location is this. I am having the milk in crates. So crates would be in pieces. MRP type, I'm not doing any MRP, so no planning. The valuation class you see must be 3050 for the packaging items. Now go below. Here it should be S. Moving average price. The moving average price would be a crate maybe of 50 price. So I have created a material that is package used for packaging. the crates that so this material is packaging material. RTI material is this. After this, see, we have created our material and business partner. Now we will be creating purchase info record. Purchase info record for supplier and material. So our supplier is 4008 and material is this one. For main material, we will be preparing this main material, no? So we will be entering main material here, not the RTI. Info category should be chosen as standard because there is no material any category defined for that. Defined for that RTP standard quantity would be 100 unlimited. The net price of this milk, I say it is 35. Just go to conditions. See 35 is the price of one packet. Just save it. So you have created purchase info record. Now let's create purchase order. Enter the supplier, enter the purchasing organization, purchasing group and company code. Just press enter. Enter your main material that you need to procure, that is milk, and item category should be okay.
Yes, see. Item category should be clear.
M21 with account assignment category as K. Okay. This is the item category, but we need to assign account assignment category as K. No.
So item category only you need to select.
Yeah. Item category we need to assign as consignment. We are procuring, let's say, 10 packets or say 100 packets. In our plant, this, in this storage location, consignment info report doesn't exist. Degree we met, yes. Check. No message issued. Just post that. So standard PO is created. After this, let's check the its stock first. MNBE. So what's the stock of this material? It is 100. And what is the stock of that second material? That is 2318. There is no stock of this because we have not received anything yet. So let's do the Migo first to receive the items. Before that, I need to release my purchase order. Purchase order number is to header, go to release strategy, click on release, click on save. The standard view has been changed or released. Now go to Migo. We will be doing the good set against the purchase order. Enter your purchase order number. Order not found or permitted or question. Let's create another order. Purchasing group, purchasing organization, company code, material, quantity. Quantity would be 101 this time. Say, just click save. Let's proceed with this purchase order. Plus MME 29. Go to other order, enter your order number, go to header, go to release strategy, release this order, enter, save. Order has been released. Now to the Migo. Before Migo, first check
Hello.
the. Yes, sir. Material list 318. There is no RTI available, and the material is this one. Check the stock of this. So this material has been ordered of 101. That's to Migo. Migo against the purchase orders. So we do the Migo for this order. Why this order coming out? Okay, okay. So here we have received this material, milk full cream, order quantity is 101 at this plant and this storage location. Just go to material, item is okay, quantity is 101. We are at this location, purchase order against this purchase order, vendor is this one. Now we need to receiving that. See here, this is transport equipment. Is the material coming along with this milk, that is crates, no? So we will be adding this RTI also. RTI means returnable transport item. See, the crates are also coming with this. So let's for 100 packets, 101 packets of milk, there are 11 crates coming along. The movement type will be reset to RT for this one. Plant is PS12, storage location, purchase order data, partner. We are receiving the milk and crates all from Amul Private Limited. Just check and post. So see our material document has been generated. Once we have done the MIGO, let's check the stock of those materials. Stock of this material can be visible in unrestricted stock now, 101 material that we have ordered. And if we go to that another material, what was that? 2318. Let's check for the stock of crates. We can see the 11 stock is available as RT packaging because we would on store those. So once we have received those, let's do the MIGO to return those crates. Code receipt against purchase order. Code receipt against other. And here we are entering the material 2318 quantity as 11 quantities, where see the movement type should be 502M, means returning of this receipt to RTP, means whatever the return packaging material we have received, we are returning those from this plant and this storage location. Partner, we are returning to this vendor. Now check and post. See, now if you check the stock of the materials, see if I check the stock of my main material, that is milk, the milk is in our stock. But if I check the stock of that RTI, is returnable material, the 11 stock that was earlier in our returnable packaging, that is gone to the vendor. So goods movement have been completely done. Now we have received the material. Now we will be uh, doing the payment to the vendor. Invoice date as today's date, entering the PO number using the text code, entering the PO number against which we are doing the payment. Okay, press enter. 0.05 is invoicing party. See, this is the amount to be paid for 101. 35 into 101, 3535. So enter the amount here. Just press enter. The baseline date is today's date. Press enter. Simulate this. See, we are having the accounting entries as good receipt and vendor. Vendor account has been debited and GRIR is credited against this purchasing order number. So now post this entry. So our invoice has been done. So this is the complete procedure for RTP. Means we have created the vendor from which we are procuring this main material, and this main material is coming along with this RTI, returnable transport items. For this main material and this vendor, we are creating the purchasing info record first. Then we will be creating purchase order for the main material. Then we will receiving the main material. And after receiving the main material, also we do the MIGO for RTI also to return those products. And once we have received the main material and return the RTI, we will do the payment to the vendor.